Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do this AI ghost chase trend for free using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the ghost chase trend looks like. I'm going to show you the video. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys how we can create this video for free using CapCut. First of all, of course, you need to install CapCut application on your mobile phone, and then you're going to create a new project on CapCut. Wait, I'm going to create a new project here, and then you can choose a picture, and I'm just going to use random picture from my gallery, and the picture need to be clear so the result will be better. Okay, I'm going to click on add to add the picture to my project, and then guys, we can go to the effect menu, select AI effect, and here you can explore the Halloween effect from CapCut. And as you can see that we can use it for free guys, but it's limited. If you want to apply this effect more than 2 uses, you can subscribe to CapCut. And I have already used this ghost chase effect or filter, and I'm going to use it again. Actually, you can apply the other effect. For example, this me and skeleton and pumpkin witch, phantom mirror, and me puppets, and I'm just going to choose this ghost chase. Okay, and then I'm going to click on generate, and hold on guys, it will take times, and you can minimize it and you can do another editing, but I'm just going to wait for it, and I'm going to post my video guys, and I'll be right back if the video has been completed. Okay, I think it's almost done. Okay, my video is ready guys, and I'm going to play it. Okay, this is how the video looks like, and yeah, that's so cool. And you can join this trend guys using CapCut, and it's free for 2 uses. If you want to get more uses, you need to subscribe to CapCut, and you can also try the other effect that you like. And the last step is exporting this video. You can go to the export, and the video will be saved to your device, and you'll be able to share it to your social media to join the AI ghost chase trend. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.